Is this a flag of Estonia on top of the towel?
Yes.
So these are the colors: blue, dark blue, and white. You cannot see it, but this is a towel there. Soon you're gonna see it. And yes, this is Tallinn, Estonia. We are here for 3 days. Bongo, Matias, and I. And this is our first day going towards the old town, more or less. Vana, Tallinn. There, Bongi. You have it. Ah. She always has to wait for me. Yay. Oh, it's good that we left Pompa. Yeah, I hope so. Okay, Bongi. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, so what do we have here? First we have a warm glöggi. It's like a warm wine, which actually in Finland they don't sell in summertime, but here they do. This is garlic bread. It's so good, so delicious. It's like it's like French fries, but it's bread, and it's so tasty. Wow. I would just come here just for that as a snack. Now, look at this. I was telling Matias that I feel like I'm in Poland because I ordered some kind of typical Tallinn dish, and what's in it? Sausages, potatoes, and cabbage, and on top of it pickles, which I also love, and they were not mentioned, so that's great. And you had some kind of duck fillet.
But mashed potatoes and vegetables and some kind of
mashed potatoes on the other side.
some kind of meat.
And now let me show you where Bongo is. Okay? I'm gonna show you where Bongo is. 1 second. So now we're just like cruising here, seeing what we discover. We cannot see everything right away because then we'll have 2 days of repeats. Very interesting church souvenirs. Has to be an Orthodox church or something like that. See, this is a good hangout joint too, but it's closed. Oh, I should take a picture. Okay.
There has to be some kind of embassy or something.
Finnish flag there. Maybe this place will have an iced coffee. Looks like. But we don't have to get it right away, you know? Let's not go to the first one that we see. Again. Look at that one. So this is kind of leaving the old town, you were saying? So I was just telling Matias I really love the color of this facade. It's amazing color, like between blue and gray, dark blue. Hej, dzień dobry. Zwiedzamy sobie.
Ciekawość tutaj.
A co tam jest?
Nie wiemy właśnie.
Stamtąd wychodzili ostatni raz. Ja mówię właśnie do Grażyny, że chodź wejdziemy, zobaczymy.
I'm saying that I'm going there, and they're going there, and I said, well, what's there? And they said, we don't know, but someone.
Czekaj,
We
Paweł
saw
jest?
someone coming out of there, so we're going there.
Paweł, my tu skręcamy. Chcemy zobaczyć, gdzie się wychodzi. Ale drzwi ładne.
No.
Gilans. A, to kolejna uliczka.
Okay.
Ale ładnie.
When I heard them, I was thinking to myself,
Ale patrz.
there's quite a lot of Polish people here in Tallinn, and then I see it's the same people. We were here. Yeah,
Ładne.
ładne. We were here, we walked here, remember? Yeah, this is the coffee place that I was thinking we could go.
No Paweł, nie zgadniesz, gdzie jesteśmy.
No my też kółko zrobiliśmy. We are circling.
Zobacz.
It's drooling.
My discovery of this season iced coffee, a little bit of a caramel in it. We have to think what to do with Bongo because I don't think she can drag along all day tomorrow and the next day. I mean, she's really good, but she's also a baby and she needs naps. Yes. So I don't know how she can survive just walking and walking all day. We'll see. Okay.
Come on.
Come on, Bongi. Come on. waiting for me. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Bongo. I like these types of old buildings. I was telling Matias, they remind me of Poland too. A lot of buildings like this in Poland. Okay, let's see what's happening here. This is some kind of interesting street here. Tomorrow supposedly is going to be sunny, so it's going to be a different vibe. Look at this, this is so nice. Wow, this is the first time I'm seeing this street. Look at this. Yeah. I'm talking to him, he's far away. I think he needs a poop bag. What's happening? What? Did she poop? Look at that. Where's this dude? Jan Cross. So but like I told you, it's similar to Poland. Yeah, it's a style that is common to many cities in Europe. I just came from Wrocław 1 month ago in Poland, western Poland, southern, and it was quite similar actually. Bigger plaza. Maybe there's now another one that is bigger. Yeah.
Nice place.
I would prefer to eat something like this. So tomorrow we are going to come, or Wednesday, to this restaurant just to have something, a drink or a hot wine, gloggy. This is like very known and famous medieval restaurant. Very, very nice. So this is where we're going to come today, and they accept dogs. So that's great. Okay, let's walk. They have a terrace too. So nice. We so have to come here to this this restaurant, that old Hansa, the what's it called? Yeah, old Hansa medieval restaurant outside. Well, we are going slowly home because we don't want to see everything the first evening. There's a lot of places to see. The camera doesn't record so well, this camera, at night, so that's why I stopped recording. Look at this. This is interesting. You can shoot there with the archery. Look, archery. Maybe they have it open, like a game, like an activity. I'm interested too. Remember this place. I'm gonna try to remember it. Almost end of day 1.